tell me what you're doing?
I'm priming the PVC pipe to get ready for the really cool colored glue. Can you pick that up?
Sorry.
Ready for the glue. It's a pretty color. Ah.
Looks like candy.
It does. You want to eat some?
No thanks.
You think we can give it to Spencer too?
I think Spencer might eat it.
Ah.
Hey Spencer, you want to eat some of this blue candy?
Look. Doesn't that look good?
No.
It looks like a lollipop.
Just start gluing it all the way down.
What's up?
You having a good time?
Oh yeah. Working hard.
Who wants to glue?
I do.
Pipe all together.
I do. I do.
Do you like wearing goggles and working with power tools?
Yes. Never ever write on bunk beds, because this is what happens when you do. It's not fun.
Can I write on desks at school?
No.
Any last thoughts on graffiti?
If you do it,
Will you ever graffiti on things again?
never.
Yes.
Have you ever graffitied on something?
Yes. No.
No.
Actually found my name in there from a few years back.
So you'll never do it again now?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I think I'll think twice before I do it again.
They better think twice. This is spring break.
All right.
Alright, what?
Did you let
Tom.
Tom do this work?
He sure did. He and Aaron have been working hard
So-
all these days.
So if it leaks, we blame Aaron?
No, you
Yes.
blame Al. Blame Sean. That's who we'll blame. He didn't show up for the final day, therefore if anything is wrong, it's all his fault.
And Josh.
Yeah, Josh.
Luck.
What are you doing, Katie?
We are making shutters for the houses and for the boys' cabin. So, if Rhonda could hold this down for me.
Okay.
What is it that you're doing?
We are sanding off graffiti, the bad words. Yeah.
Are there bad words?
Yes, unfortunately.
We're just living our life to serve. Every day. Humility.
You've learned well.